Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the Wi-Fi name on T-Life app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your T-Life app, and once you do that, what you need to do is log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is go to the home screen and make sure you are connected to the gateway over Wi-Fi. Choose T-Mobile internet and log in. Then once you do that, you'll be getting something like this on your home screen, and on the bottom you'll be seeing the network option. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, what you need to do is simply tap on this network option. And once you do that, to change the network name, choose the text box under Wi-Fi name SSID and enter a name. To change the password, choose the text box under Wi-Fi network password and enter a password. To reveal the current password, choose the I symbol. Now once you are done with that, all you gotta do is simply tap on save right here. And once you do that, a dialog box will appear something like this on your screen. All you gotta do is tap on OK, and once you tap on OK, the network name and password will have been changed. All you gotta do is go to the home screen, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.